I'm Nikki.
And I'm not.
And we've been on the road again today.
Yep, we've hit the road. But as every good person with a motorhome or caravan or camping or whatever, you all know, Sunday morning, it's jobs day.
Oh yes.
As you can see, we have very good holding tanks and water tanks on the van. But we've now been here, how many nights?
8.
8 nights. So it's time to sort the water out. How many showers have you had since you've been here?
Oh, I don't want to tell the people that. 4, I think.
4 showers, okay. Plus me, plus using a loo, plus washing.
Washing up.
Plus washing up. So we've done all right.
Done
8
really
days.
well, yeah.
Now she'll love this. Open the window.
What?
You messed up the alignment. You're going to have to move it forward.
Oh, I don't know how to.
Yes, you do. And we all know what's behind here. Ta-da. So what are you doing, babe?
I am just putting some Zoflora and hot water down the sink into the waste tank because it was a little bit smelly. So
What else do we use?
we use Coke.
Last job done. Water all filled. And ready to roll.
So, job's done and we hit the road.
And this is our journey through beauty.
Only 65 miles of it. Took us 4 hours, but there were 2 ferries involved.
Yep, 65 miles, 4 hours, 2 ferries. We are truly on the road to Nordkapp.
And 1 ferry we missed by about 3 minutes, so we had to wait an hour for the next one. Just look where we are now for the night. So that's where we are tonight, and tomorrow we continue our journey to Nordkapp, only about 250 miles. We'll take a few days getting there. We've got places to see on the way, but it's happening.
Any ferries?
I don't think so, no. I think we've done all the ferries now.
Brilliant. So, Nordkapp it is.
Yeah. Nordkapp, here we come.
A few more days. Now we've got to work on the way.
Yep.
But we'll get there.
Yep.
A couple of hours a day.
Yep. By the weekend, we hope we will be there.
Yes. And then that's it. I can pack them at home in a shipping container and come home. Yeah.
Yeah. Haven't got to drive all the way back to Finland or anything.
Enjoy your Sunday night, guys. Catch up tomorrow for a little 10-minute break of what we've been up to and see what we can see and show you the beauty of Norway, really.
Yeah.
That's about it. That's all we're doing. Just check those videos out. Remember, you can slow them down. Tap your screen and just slow the speed down, or if you're on a PC, you can do the same from the PC and you can see more of what we're showing you. However, of course, it would take 4 hours to see it on a one-to-one basis, so you might just want to pick the bits out you see. Like that bridge. Did you see that bridge? That wooden bridge.
Oh yes, there was a wooden bridge that looked very narrow as we approached it.
It was indeed. But that's just Norway for you.
Yeah, we got across, we were fine.
Catch up soon.